Task 2, Garden Decking Task. Your neighbour wants some decking in his garden. He asks you to help him. You have to decide where to put the decking, buy decking and varnish for it. Question 1. Look at the plan of the garden and what your neighbour says. Choose one of the decking kits for sale. Click on the squares on the plan to draw the decking in the correct place. Click on the eye to find the information you need. Your neighbour says, I want the decking to go against a fence. It can go on the concrete or grass, but not under the trees. Do not cover up any more than half of the grass. And here's your shopping list of decking kits for sale. Let's have a look at the plan again. Always good to scroll down to the bottom to see if there's anything you need. Here's the key. This is what the fence looks like on the plan. So this is the fence. This bit here is the wall. The neighbour wants the decking to go against a fence, so the only place it can't go is along here or along here. This would be a good place for it. Let's choose one of the sizes from the shopping list. If we choose this one, it's 3 meters long. How do we decide how big to draw this on the diagram? The scale is 2.5 meters equals 5 squares. That means each square is half a meter long. So, to draw a decking that's 3 meters long, we're going to need 6 squares. And 2.5 meters, we're going to need 5 squares along. Sometimes the information pack gets in the way. Just move it around the page. So that's 3 meters by 2.5 meters, and it was the Oxford kit that we used. Give one reason for your choice of decking kit. Question 3. The top surface of the decking needs 2 coats of varnish. Work out how many tins of varnish you need to buy. Decking varnish is $19.99 a tin. Each tin covers between 15 meters squared and 20 meters squared of decking. Whenever you see meters squared, you know that we're talking about area. So you need to find what the area of the decking is that you've chosen. The Oxford was 3 meters by 2.5 meters. so the area is 7.5 metres. That's one coat. The decking needs 2 coats. We've times that by 2. We need to varnish 15 metres squared. We can see here that the tin will do between 15 metres and 20 metres squared of decking. So that's fine. We should have enough with one tin. Question 4. Give one reason why you decided to buy that number of tins of varnish. You just have to tell them why you made that decision. Question 5. Work out the total cost for the decking and the varnish. Let's go back and check. The varnish is £19.99 and the decking, the Oxford, was £155. Don't forget to put the answer in the pink box. Question 6. Check one of your calculations. Where is the calculation you will check? You have to choose one of these. Let's go and find a nice calculation. We could check this one. To check an addition, use a backwards calculation and take one number away from the total. So 174.99 take away 19.99 should equal £155. Let's try that. Not quite right. Did I make a mistake? Ah, 174.99. There we are. We were right. Don't forget to put the number in the box. We checked question 5. You've now finished task 2.